Feijoada is a traditional Brazilian stew, considered by many as the country's national dish. It is a hearty and flavorful stew made with black beans and a variety of pork and beef cuts, such as pork shoulder, ribs, bacon, and sometimes sausage. These meats are typically slow-cooked with the beans, along with onions, garlic, and spices like bay leaves and black pepper, which give feijoada its distinctive savory taste. Feijoada is often served with side dishes like rice, collard greens, orange slices, and farofa, toasted cassava flour. The dish is known for its rich and complex flavors, as well as its historical significance, being rooted in the culinary traditions of Brazil's colonial past. Feijoada is commonly enjoyed during gatherings with family and friends, especially on weekends and during celebrations and festivals. It is a dish that reflects Brazil's diverse cultural heritage and is beloved by many for its comforting and satisfying qualities.